Hello, welcome to the My Solution is in the Revolutionary War game. This video will walk you through setting up your room for playing My Solution is in the Revolutionary War Breakout EDU game. The story. It's 1861 and the Northern States General Ulysses S. Grant has received word that the South is about to declare war on the North. Former President George Washington feared the misuse of weapons and locked vital weaponry in an underground storage shed. The key to gaining access to these crucial war weapons is locked inside this box. Just like you, General Ulysses S. Grant needs to know his American Revolution history in order to get through the clues and protect the future of his country. Are you willing to accept the challenge and protect the history of this country? You will need to set up the following locks. You'll need the 3-digit lock set to 591, the 4-digit lock set to 1787, directional multi-lock will be set to down, up, right, down, and the ABC multi-lock will be set to taxes.
All right, we have all of our clues stored in one central location, bag or folder. I'm going to pull out clue number 1. And inside clue number 1, we have the Supreme Court cases, mat, along with our 3 significance cards and our Hebrew number chart. What they're going to do is take each Supreme Court case and match it to the significance of that case. And when done correctly, you should get Emperor Justice Fool, which gives you 591. Okay, our second clue. You should have the important documents of the American Revolution and 5 clips of 5 documents. With the timeline, you see that the Declaration of Independence is first. The Articles of Confederation, put them in order. The Federalist Papers, then the Bill of Rights. So this last card slips in for the question mark. And as you can see, it's a sample of the Constitution. We the People is a connection to the Constitution. Here we have the year 1776, 1788. So the answer to the 4-digit lock would be the year that the Constitution was written, 1787. Okay, so our third clue is about amendments. So you should have your which amendment is it map and 5 amendments. Based on the pictures, you need to match the amendment to the clues given by the picture. When done, turn them over. And the answer to the 5-letter lock is taxes. Okay, for clue number 4, you have your 13 colonies map. And you have 6 direction clues. However, you'll only have 5 directions for the lock. Don't alert students to this, but you need to know, you might have to hint, there are numbers on top of each one. You need to put them in order first to get the correct directions. Your starting clue, start at the state where the British established their first successful colony, which was in Virginia. This region's economics relied heavily on plantations, which is the southern region, so your first direction is down. This state is home to the first U.S. capital, which was in Pennsylvania, so your second direction is up. Here is where the Dutch fur trading economy was vibrant because of its natural harbors. That was in New York, so your direction again is up. The Mayflower Compact was signed in this state. This is in Massachusetts, so your next direction is right. Thomas Hooker established this state after political and religious disagreements with the Puritan leadership. He established Connecticut, so your last direction is down. Okay, so with our last clue, in this bag, you will not have this in your last clue bag. This is for the teacher to post somewhere in the room, accessible to the students. The only thing that'll be in the bag is this one picture of Washington, D.C. and fireworks. This needs to be posted somewhere around your room, and the key to the key lock needs to be taped to the back. The kids will only get this clue, and on the answer document, there is a hint to help them know that they need to look for an image to find the key.
We have also included an answer document that you can pass out to students just to help them as they're exploring and finding answers to their clues. You can print out the files through Google Drive, and here is the link. Like we had mentioned before, the locks that you will be using will be the 3-digit lock, 4-digit lock, key lock, ABC multi-lock, and directional multi-lock. In regards to additional resources, you'll just need the Breakout EDU box and the hasp. Congratulations! I hope you broke out of this Breakout EDU session, and if not, best luck next time.